Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Chris and today I'm going to do another update about what's happening currently for the Bitcoin price, because guys, we have an emergency situation. As you can see right now, Bitcoin pumping like crazy. We reached before a couple minutes the $24,200, and as you can see, this green line is going all the way up. But guys, we remain bearish, and you should actually recognize this by the previous height on this bear market, which remain as at a lower high. And guys, this lower high, it doesn't actually confirm an uptrend movement. And of course guys, this kind of pump that we're experiencing right now indicates me a very scary bull trap, because you can clearly see that the volume is not confirmed with the pump. So this is very scary, and on this video guys, I'm analyze you and I'm gonna declare you how what's my perspective on this current situation, and when is gonna be the time actually to flip to bullish side. Okay, because right now, as you know, I remain bearish. I don't believe and don't convinced that this kind of pump is actually the beginning of the bull run. I know it sounds to you crazy, but I'm gonna justify you why I believe this and when actually I'm gonna flip bullish, and how I deal with this current situation that we're moving on. So guys, if you would like to know all these things, all you have to do is to stay tuned until the end of the video. Before jumping to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video, because with this way you are helping me so much to continue this journey with a very simple process of daily like, daily comments, share with your friends, share in your social media. You are actually helping me so much, and appreciate you for this help from the bottom of my heart. A big thank you to everyone, and let's dive straight to the daily time frame to begin our analysis, because we have lots of beautiful things to cover out. So guys, let's start on this kind of analysis. I'm gonna begin and I'm gonna finish with some kind of trends, volume, and I'm gonna close the video with very dangerous indicators, which is the EMA cross 50 and 200. So let's begin with the trends, because I would like to tell you that guys, we remain in a lower high trend, which is not actually a confirmation of a bullish signal. If we would like actually to flip into bullish side, into bullish mode, into bull run, we will need actually to surpass the previous height, which is exactly the $25,200 area, which is the first orange line that we see here. And we need here guys a very strong momentum to break this massive resistance with lots of volume. And then if we want to create here a higher high, then with some very significant volume, then and only then we're going to have a confirmation of the bull run, the beginning of the bull run. Okay, that's why I'm telling you this thing guys, because you should actually recognize only then we're going to have from technical side, at least from technical side, because fundamentally we will need at least 5 to 6 months to find some recovery, because only then fundamentally we can say that we are ready to build some bulls territory from now and then, and that's really important. So right now you can clearly notice that fundamentally we are bearish, we are extremely bearish I can say, and also technically we are bearish. That's why I'm telling you that this kind of pump right now that's happening is manipulated pump, because we don't have even volume here. Okay, we don't have volume, we don't have technically higher high. Fundamentally we are bearish, so that's why I remain bearish, very simply, because if we won't see some confirmation of those three things that I told you, then guys, I can't find a reason to actually convinced that this is a bull run. Okay, very simply, this is my analysis, and that's why exactly what I believe. And here also we have something really strange that most people gonna get wrecked very badly if this is gonna be true. Because look at this guys, we have in the daily time frame we're going for a golden cross to happen, but in the weekly time frame we had actually the death cross, which happened for the first time, and that death cross and golden cross is an exponential moving average 50 and 200. And guys, be very careful. Look at this, we had death cross, and the volume, the green candle volume, is very low. Okay, that's why I'm telling you that this kind of pump is the biggest trap that's gonna wreck out many people, because the confirmations that I told you before. Okay, and plus some indicators which not confirmed by volume, which is in those situations, guys, only I consider something bullish or bearish with a volume. Okay, because if we're gonna see, if you see when the time is gonna come, and actually this kind of a pump that's happening in the last couple of weeks, it's gonna expose officially as a bull trap. You're gonna see another huge sell-off like that, like it happened here on the FTX crash. You're gonna see a huge red line, and that's gonna be the officially one more crash that we're gonna see on the this bear market. So until then, guys, be very well. If we don't see actually the confirmations, please do not open huge long positions, because 99% you're gonna wreck out very badly. Okay, that's especially if you are not experienced professional trader. And of course, I'm not financial advisor. Always do your own research and always take your own risk. But guys, I'm here to protect you, and that's why I'm suggesting you, instead of doing trading with those in those crazy volatility areas, I'm suggesting you to do instead DCA, dollar cost average. No matter if the price is $24,000, if you do, for example, dollar cost average every day, you could actually buy $23,000, $22,000, $21,000, $22,000 again, 23, 24, and if you're gonna get into a lower price, you're gonna continue buying. And I told you a tip that I told you a trick exactly how I'm doing DCA. For example, right now, I'm doing DCA. You're gonna see a slight down on the Bitcoin price at $19,000, $18,000. Then I'm gonna double down my positions. If you're gonna see at $16,000, I'm gonna triple down my position. And if actually we're gonna get finally and eventually at $14,000, $13,000, and $12,000, which is the worst case scenario for me, then I'm gonna get all in, or I'm gonna quadruple down my positions. So you can clearly understand that if you follow this strategy, you're gonna be in without risk. Because right now, if you open crazy long position on the $24,000, you're gonna wreck out, because I highly believe, because of the volume, that if we're gonna see slightly more pump to the upside, and we're gonna get to the second scenario that I described you yesterday on my video, which I told you that there is a very high potential scenario to see as scenario 2, to see a pump up to $25,000 and find weakness here, and then we're gonna see the reversal. Okay, there is also this scenario too. So as I told you, we're gonna see a slightly pump more to the upside, and then you're gonna see a massive sell-off. All the whales are gonna sell off massively, and they're gonna collapse the price with a huge red candle, and then we're gonna have a confirmation of a huge downtrend movement, which is gonna collapse the price and gonna lead us to through the last capitulation, which I'm expecting a lot. Guys, please beware, because the moon boys right now are posting like crazy that the next week it's gonna be $30,000, $40,000. The next month we're gonna get into $200,000, and all these crazy things, which is very good. I'm hyped too about Bitcoin, but guys, I'm trying to stay realistic, because some things take time to happen, and it doesn't happen from week to week. Okay, so that's why I'm trying to tell you the truth, which is exactly what I believe. And guys, of course, there is the scenario to see the bull run. Okay, but I give you this very low probabilities, because nobody can actually predict the market. Nobody. No matter how good your analysis is, nobody can predict what's the next move. Okay, because right now, if you ask me how many chances, like, or how many probabilities percentage I give to be this a bull run, I can give you guys 10% probabilities. I still don't believe that this is actually the beginning of the bull run, because the things that I told you with the confirmations. Okay, this is very simple. Stick with your DCA, guys. Sit back, relax. Never buy on huge green days like crazy. Okay, always in very huge red days, buy with a double down, triple down your positions, because only then is a very good opportunity. If we have a normal day, just buy a very single portion of your portfolio, stack your sats, with other words, and that's all. Follow me on Twitter, guys, because there I'm updating you every day, every hour about what's happening on the market, dumps, patterns, everything, indicators, everything is there. So that's why it's very important to follow me there. And this is the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you have any question. I'm answering everything, and see you tomorrow with my fresh updates. And until then, stay safe, and your boy Chris is out. Bye.